Hi! To add calendar date stamp to a photo on your Samsung Galaxy A14, as a first step, we would need to open Camera application. Then click on the settings icon on the left upper corner and here enable this feature named Watermark. Then click on the name of this feature and here we would be able to select what type of the stamp we would have on our photo. So here we got options as model name, date and time. I have removed the model name because I would like to see only the date and time. Here you can also choose the format of the date and time. And here at the last tab, which is named Style, we got option to customize the watermark a little bit. Here we can choose Style, which is the font, and also alignment. So we can put the watermark on the left, on the middle, or on the right. And also we can choose if it will be at the upper part of the photo or bottom part. And now when we are ready with the watermark, we can test it by making a photo. Now let's open the gallery. And yes, here is it how the watermark looks. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.